This is an update on my Big Mac's Mr. Heater install, and it's just warming up right now. Can't do a video without showing it running, right? Come on. There we go. Nice. Anyhow, I don't know if you saw the video of the installation of this, but it was pretty interesting. Didn't kill anybody, nobody got hurt, not too many cut fingers. But as you can see, it's up in the air and we can now see it from the bottom. And this is what I discovered probably several days later. That whole corner is bashed in. And the funny thing is the styrofoam packing showed no damage, and the outside box showed no damage. So this happened inside the unit. Now I got to give kudos to Northern Tool and Equipment. I believe that's who it is. I'll show a video of the Refund. But I checked on the shipping. It's $158 if I had to pay this. And I know that the supplier, Northern Tool, I'm sure they've got some kind of deal with UPS where it wouldn't have been that much. But in either case, to send it back, $158, to send it back out to return a new one is another $150. And the fact that they got to figure out something to do with this, and it's going to cost them another unit in stock. So I called them and said, hey, how about we split the shipping, $158, and for just me, and you guys don't have to pay it, and you don't have another unit sitting on your shelf or the returns to be repaired or disposed of probably goes on a pallet somewhere in Amazon and sold that, you know, I don't know how they handle the returns and things, but in any case, it works fine. Just that little bit right there, and nobody noticed it, and I'm happy, they're happy, and I got to give kudos. Their customer service was right there. They said fine right on the spot, and I will include a picture of the Amazon refund page. And I just got to say, with everything going on, these people handled it great. I'd recommend buying from them in the future, and I'd leave a comment on their page, but I usually include a video, and they always deny it, so I don't even leave reviews anymore. They always ask for them, I give it to them, and then they deny it, so screw them. So they want to see it, they can come here on YouTube and see it there. Subscribe. Questions or comments, leave them below.